Stop using makeup on your skin. It has bad effects on you. If you are a lady and uses makeup, listen to this. These are some negative effects of using makeup on your skin. 1. Headaches. Chemicals like diazolidinylurea and DMDM-hydantoin, both of which tend to release formaldehyde, are a common ingredient in many cosmetic products. These chemicals have been known to cause headaches, irritation of the mucous membranes, and cause damage to the eyes. If you have been suffering from headaches, try and stop makeup to see if the headache goes away. 2. Premature aging. When you use skin products for a longer period of time, the chemicals present tend to permanently damage your skin. With time, you could begin to see skin aging signs like wrinkles or patchiness on your face and body. While makeup does help you hide or cover flaws in your skin, the long-term effects could be counterproductive. 3. Eye infections. Eye makeup is used extensively even by women. Your eyes and the skin around them is the most sensitive area of your face. Layers of eye makeup can be damaging to your eyes, as it also slips into your eyes through the corners, causing irritation. It inhibits the growth of eyelashes and also becomes a breeding ground for bacteria, which could lead to irritations and infections. 4. Infertility. Skincare products and deodorants are directly absorbed by your skin, so it's very likely that the chemicals used in these products also seep into your body. A study conducted on rats found that butylparaben adversely affects the secretion of testosterone and the function of the male reproductive system. Though the consumers of cosmetics are majorly women, it's still important to note the adverse effects parabens can have on the reproductive system. For more health tips, follow the page, like and share for the benefit of others.